Championship tees still on deck. These are pretty dope. Pretty dope, pretty dope, pretty dope. My first time being here. They got Kobe's here too also. Hey, how you doing today? We saw these at the last stop that we was at. Now they have them here. I guess still retail. This tie-dye colorway is not bad. I do like the Serena one a little bit better. My personal opinion. This location is pretty dope. Never been here before, so let's go ahead and see what we can come across. Hello. So I'm gonna go over here to the left side and just see what's on this side. Oh, I see some heat already, but let's go check the wall first. Westbrook's and okay, look like they got a pretty good selection here. Let's have some fun. They got some Kobe's on deck, probably. Whoa. Kobe's, LeBron's, Kyrie's, as far as the eye can see. They got them again here, bro. What about these? Only small sizes though. Checking out the back wall, 30% off here too. Size 6 on these Air Max 95s. 119 with 30% off. That's a dope colorway. Got some KDs down there. Got these foamposites here on deck too. 199. So they are on sale with 30% off. Size 8 though. Got LeBron 16s. Slide on down. Look at these. Size 8 in these Air Max 98s. All white, bro. This is clean. This got like the shiny finish to it. I think that's pretty ill, bro. 30% off on these also. Cop pass, fire or trash. See some blazers here that are like a Nike ID. These are dope, bro. Size 9 on these for 120. You cannot go wrong with that blue suede. I don't know what the 103 stands for, but these are pretty dope, bro. Let me know if you guys like these in the comment section below. I got some bread LeBron 17s for 159 with 30% off. They got some KD 13s for 9.5, also 160 on these. This is that colorful one, which I think is pretty dope. Gives me like Easter vibes on these. What do you guys think about these from a 1 to 10 scale? And did you guys cop these? Pretty good size selection. Got, see what else we got going on here. Some more of those foam Air Max 98s. Some foamposite size 10. Jordan Protro Reacts, $89 with 30% off. You got some Flight 89s, red and white colorway, 120 with 30% off. These are kind of weird. I've never really seen these before. Some type of posit, air bacon posit, 149 as opposed to 225. So that's different. I never really seen these before, but I felt like I might have. If you have, let me know. Got some Air Max Pluses. These are pretty different, man. Never really seen these before. Let me know your thoughts and opinions on these. I kind of like the detailing to them. It's kind of like a gold feature. 30% off on these too. On that too, no. 30% off on these. These are pretty fire too, man. Ladies watching, let me know. These are on, what are these, on sale? What's the retail on these? 119 as opposed to 170, and you get 30% off on these. That's not bad at all, bro. Let's go look around some more. Some Air Force Ones here. $84. Never seen these so small. Size 4, retail 160 with the 30% off since on the back wall. Never seen them so small. That's pretty dope though. Kids got some heat, as well as these KDs in the bread colorway. Not too bad over here. Are these Hirachis? No, they look like Hirachis though. These Air Max 95 for the ladies, which I think are pretty dope. Let me take one off the box to get a better look. 119 as opposed to 170. This colorway is not bad at all, bruh. For the ladies out there watching, I need to know, what do you guys think about these? Today they're 119 with a 20% off coupon that I have. This colorway is not bad though. I feel like the features on here is pretty dope. You got some corduroy with the leather. I think that color combination and material combination is pretty dope. Ladies and gentlemen watching, let me know what you think about them in the comment section below. Got some Air Max 90s white with the black for $84.99. Once again, these Air Max 98s are pretty clean. I'm not mad at these at all. Let me know if you guys are feeling these or not. 120 as opposed to 170. Let me get the box out too, just to look at it really quick. Colorway is really, really dope. I'm not mad at this. It does give me Easter vibes, springtime vibes, and we're headed into the fourth quarter of the winter time. But Air Max 98s are dope for all kinds of seasons and weather. Let me know if you guys are feeling these. I think are pretty dope. They got a pretty good size run of them from 7.5 all the way up to size 11 in the all white John Elliott icons. Normally a $250 retail price shoe, now only 90 bucks. You also have a coupon this weekend for 20% off. Pretty dope, man. Let me know if you guys like these or if somebody out there will want them. I know we had a couple people looking for those. Then we also have these Air Max 98s. Not sure the actual name. I believe these are like the Halloween ones or something like that. I'm not mistaken. Pretty good size run. I'm seeing from 9 all the way up to like size 11. But these are fire. 134, maybe get to 20%. Woo, these are clean, bro. I think these are pretty dope. One of my favorite Air Max 98s that came out recently. I don't know if you guys agree with that or not, but this is dope. The packaging is dope. The shoe color is fire. And I felt like at some point there was like a good resale for these, but I could be wrong. But let me know what you guys think and what do you guys rate these from a 1 to 10. And what's your favorite Air Max? Comment your favorite Air Max 98 in the comment section below. But these are super, super fire in my opinion. So if you're enjoying the video, make sure you guys hit the like button before you leave. Leave comments about anything you guys see. And just share that good energy, bro. Without further ado, let's get back to the video, you dig? Yeah, these are pretty fire though. These Air Max 1s for 110 as opposed to, I guess 110 is the retail. Let me know what you guys think about these. This colorway is pretty dope. Yeah, it's like almost remind me of the Huarache we picked up earlier for 810 squad. These are clean though, bro. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. These white ones are pretty clean, bro. I'm not mad at these at all. It's like a 2020 Air Max 90. Got the like pearl feature to it, if you guys can see on that little 20 right there. These are pretty dope. 140 on these. I guess they might be a special edition with a full size run, bro. Original colorway of the 2090 down to 109 from 150, full size run. Pretty good size run on these too. We picked these up for Anthony. Found them now for 89 bucks. I think we got them a little cheaper at the Foot Locker if I'm not mistaken. I think it was 79. Pretty good size run from 8 all the way up to 11 on these. Pretty dope, bro. This colorway is definitely clean though. See a colorway of the Wide Knot 0.3. This is kind of the Heartbreak or Heart Foundation one. I forgot the actual name of this. You got that heart there. Maybe it's for breast cancer awareness. I believe that's what it's actually for, not the Heart Foundation like I was just saying. But I love the Heart Foundation. Brett Hitman Hart, Jimmy Advil Nightheart, British Bulldog, part of the family too. These are pretty dope though. This colorway is not bad at all. What is the score on these? 99 as opposed to the 130 price point, so that's not bad at all. Extra 20%, you're in there like swimwear. Let me know if you guys are feeling those or not. Patent leather Mars. Shattered backboard Mars. Flytrap 3, $54. I like this colorway, not too bad. $54 on that's not bad either. Zoom Freaks for 89. The original colorway, and I forgot this colorway's name. 89 bucks on those. Both of those are pretty fire. Protro Reacts for 109. Retails 150. I think that's a good price point. Should be a little cheaper, but I've had a lot of good feedback about these. Let me know if you guys are a fan of these or even tried them. It's Jumpman Swift, aka Eddie Jones, 99 bucks. Pretty dope as opposed to 140. Let me know what you guys think about these in the comment section below. Super old school shoe right here. So they do have these Kobe Ford Protros, only size 7.5 up to, I believe, 8 is what I'm seeing here. Unfortunately, 175 close retail. No back stock on these, but you can use a 20% code off on these. Let me know what y'all think, man. This is a really fire colorway. Size 7, that's the FF right there. This is clean, bro. Very, very clean shoe right here. Let me know what you guys think about these and if you own these in your, in your collection. I think this colorway is dope. They had a few other colorways that came out, of course. Let me know what your favorite one is in the comment section below. Unfortunately, it's grade school only, but they have the LeBron 17 Lakers. This colorway is definitely fire. A lot of people want these. I'm sure the other sizes got a little more resale to them. What do you guys think? So when you resell, it's good to see your shoe at other stores to see how much they're going for. So these retail for 180. They have them at the outlets now for 180, bro. These are dope. I think I found these for like 50 bucks at Burlington. Jordan Aerospace. You got some cleats down here for soccer. These shoes are pretty crazy. I think this colorway is something different. The Zoom X Vista Grip for 114. Never really seen this colorway, man. This colorway is different, bro. Colorway is different. Kind of fire, bro. Let me know if you guys like these or not. 30% off on these also. If there anybody out there who owns a pair of these, please give myself and other people feedback in the comment section below, because I do not know nothing about these shoes besides they have a crazy thick outsole. Feel like that might be a dope shoe though. Let me know your thoughts and opinions and feedback down below. Look at the outsole. See what you're saying? The outsole's getting crazy. This is a dope color shoe. I'm a fan of this colorway. I don't know if about the shoe. Looks like it'd be really comfortable. Pegasus 35 Turbo in the pink, 30% off, 124. Then they got some Vapor Max 360s, bro. 225, size 10 retail with a 30% off. These are pretty fire though. Let me know what you guys think about these. Air Max 95s, this bright colorway, Vogue green. This is like a Bayou, 129 on the retail, size 8. Not too bad on these. These right here are pretty cool too. The colorway is more appealing than the actual shoe. ACG size 7, 79 as opposed to 110 with 30% off. Let me know if this shoe is fire or trash. I think it's pretty dope though. The color combination for sure is fire. Then are these Tailwind 4s, Kyrie 6s. Let's see what else is going on here.